Sego sebo guego. I'm going to show you how to make a sit-upon. So we only need a couple things. We need newspaper, and I left some flyers in this one, all folded up. And we're going to put that flyer inside this plastic bag. I'm going to pat it down and pull it tight. And maybe we'll need a little duct tape. So you have three things: grocery bags, newspaper of some sort, and duct tape. So the duct tape, the red stuff I bought at the dollar store, and they had red and white and black duct tape as well as the silver. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tape the edges. Like that. Maybe I'll even trim that. And this is a quick little project so that we can have a protective layer when we're sitting on the ground and we don't have to sit right on the cold ground. There's all kinds of instructions on how to make a sit-upon on the internet. Some of them you have they sew it, but this one's very fast and easy. So here we go. Now I got the red just to, you can get it so that it's all fancy if you'd like. But it doesn't have to be. What the duct tape is waterproof, so that if it gets wet or dirty, then all you do is wipe it off. So as you can see, it's pretty simple. And round you go until you finish. So what I was thinking is that your child could put this in their backpack and bring it to school on the days that they are at Quinniemahawk, and take it home, and it just stays in their backpack back and forth, so that when we're outside, especially now that it's gotten quite a bit cooler, that the ground's a little cool if we're sitting doing some learning. Lots of times we're up and down and we'll be using the gardens in the greenhouse. However, there's times like this week that we're just sitting around the circle and practicing some of our Ganyak Geha, our introductions and greetings. So I'm almost finished. Now, of course, the one I showed the students at school had a fancy duct tape that had, it was plaid, and pink and purple and everything. So if you can find some of that fancier duct tape, then by all means, use that. And they might need some help. Drop my scissors. So just make sure everything's tight. And if you want to put a strip down the middle, just to fancy it up with your red. And I'm not making, it's not perfect, but there it is. There's your sit-upon that you can bring and leave in your backpack for when we're outside and you want something to sit on off the ground. It'll keep you a little bit drier and warmer. Onigi wahi.